Alright guys, we're gonna make a video letting you know that here in Grand Turk all the green umbrellas are free, and we got some scammers here that they're all gonna try to charge you rent for umbrellas. So if you do come to Grand Turk, all the green umbrellas are free. As you see, it has a logo but it says Grand Turk Cruise Center. So again, do not pay any fee if you come to Grand Turk. And we are cruising to Carnival Vista, and there is another Carnival ship that I just arrived, and it's Carnival Conquest. Do not pay any fee for umbrella. All umbrellas are part of your tour with the cruise. So I hope you enjoy this video and give me a thumbs up.